Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by adding your Google account so contacts can sync. First, confirm you're online and have your Gmail credentials and any 2FA device ready. Open Settings, tap Contacts, then Accounts, and choose Add Account, right arrow Google. Sign in and grant permission. Once done, toggle Contacts on for the Google account so iOS can push contacts to Gmail. This is faster than exporting. You're creating a live sync so future changes update automatically. Now make sure the sync happens. After signing into Google, flip Contacts to On. iOS will ask to merge, except to copy existing iPhone contacts into Gmail. If you want a one-time transfer instead, open a browser to iCloud. Sign in, select Contacts, choose All, then export vCard. Next, on a computer, go to Contacts. Google, choose Import, and upload the vCard. Either Live Sync or vCard import moves contacts into Gmail. Choose the method that fits your workflow. Finish by verifying the transfer in a browser at Contacts. Google, you should see your contacts there. Make sure new contacts save to Gmail by setting Settings, right arrow Contacts, right arrow Default Account to your Google account. If some contacts don't appear, toggle the Google Contacts, switch off then on, in Settings, right arrow Contacts, right arrow Accounts to force a resync, or sign out and back into the Google account. This resolves most merge or missing contact issues. If duplicates appear, use Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.